Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. Oh, doors keep shutting in the house and it's freaking me out. It is Monday morning today and I've started off my day really nicely. I woke up at about 7 a.m. and I got up and I just like did some little things on my computer. I then got up and I had breakfast. I then showered, got ready for the day. I then tidied my room up a little bit because you know when you wake up and you're getting ready and it kind of just turns into a mess. So I made my bed, my bathroom's all clean and there's no clothes on the floor of my wardrobe, which is lit. But it is currently almost 9 a.m. so I'm going to grab my bag and my laptop and I'm gonna head to Rachio'S and get some editing done. When you walk past,
I like them tall, I like them smart, I like them all, it breaks my heart. I don't play any, many, not anymore. Found the one, can't let her go, 'cause she's my little angel.
at my old local Rachio'S, there was the perfect spot in the corner where no one could see what I was doing on my computer, and that made me feel a lot better because I don't want people to see me editing videos of myself. Like, that's just embarrassing. So I'm really hoping that there's a spot in this Rachio'S that lets me sit where no one can see my screen. There are booths that no one can like see my screen from, but I don't want to take up a 4-seater place with just one person. So fingers crossed, hope this works out. Bit nervous. I shouldn't be nervous. This is such a lame thing to be nervous about, but oh well. I'm now home from Rachio'S. I've actually been home for a while. It's currently 2:30 and I haven't eaten since like 8 a.m. So I'm gonna cook myself some sausages and have them on bread for lunch. Like, I'm starving right now and I don't want to go grocery shopping hungry because we all know that's a bad idea. So I'm gonna cook some lunch and then I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I really don't want to go grocery shopping at all. Like, I just really don't want to, but I have to. I have to feed myself. It's just like the first initial big grocery shop. I'm gonna have to get so much stuff. I just don't really feel like doing it, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I went grocery shopping, I did it. I'm really glad it's over and it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. And I don't want any of you guys to comment being like, oh my gosh, you moved out of home and you hate grocery shopping, like you're already complaining about being an adult. I'm not. I mean, I am, but I just don't want to do like the first initial grocery shop because there's so much stuff that we don't have. Like, we're literally starting from scratch. I felt so stuck on what to buy. This is gonna be a really weird grocery haul, but I hope you guys enjoy anyway. But for future vlogs, if you want to see my grocery shop every week, let me know because I will do a haul. But if you don't, I will also just not do a haul for you. I don't even know where to start because it's such a mess of a shop, but it was a lot better and a lot cheaper than I thought it was going to be, so that's good. I got 2 long life milks because I can just keep one in the cupboard and one in the fridge and they last way longer. I also got some juice for my smoothies and just to like have with breakfast because I love juice. And I also got some vanilla almond milk for my smoothies as well. For my smoothie bowls, I bought my granola. This is my favorite granola. This is the Jordan's crunchy oat granola. I haven't tried any of the other ones in this range, but the blue packaging one is my favorite. I bought some mayo and some butter. I bought mayo for salad sandwiches, and then for my salad sandwiches I also got some lettuce, so I'm gonna put these in the fridge. I also got a shampoo and conditioner because I was running low and I needed shampoo and conditioner. I bought some deodorant. I bought some paper towels for the kitchen because I don't have any yet. I got 4 chicken burgers and I bought burger buns so I can have chicken burgers. And I also bought some mince and some ham. For my mince, I bought 2 jars of bolognese sauce and I bought pasta. So I'm gonna make spaghetti bolognese and just like eat it throughout the week. I know that's like the most typical thing for someone to make when they move out of home, but just the first thing that came into my head and I didn't want to think about anything else. So for the first week, I'm just gonna go plain and simple and have a spaghetti bolognese, and also like it's the best thing ever. So also bought some toothpaste for my ensuite and I bought some ear cleaners. I got some eggs because I love eggs. I bought some cereal. This is the crunchy nut cereal to have for breakfast. I bought some fruit toast because it's my fave, and then I bought some normal bread. Yeah, that's my grocery haul. I feel overwhelmed, but I'm gonna put this all away now and then I'll update you on what my plans are for after that. My older brother Bryce and my mum gave me this massive tub of Tupperware, so just like a bunch of containers and stuff, and I need to go through that, decide what I want to keep, decide what I don't want to keep, and then what I do keep, wash it and put it away in the cupboard that needs to go so I can get rid of this crate from the lounge room. That's my next job. birthday, Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Wow. Currently 11 p.m. and Scanner in my bedroom, and it's Rachio's birthday tomorrow. So I made the letterboard saying happy 20th birthday, Rachio. And then while we were doing that, we have the Lizzie McGuire movie playing, of course. But if you open my walk-in wardrobe, we have all of these balloons. And in the morning before Rachio wakes up, we're gonna go put them in the living room and the kitchen so that when she walks out of her room, there's balloons all over the floor. I'm gonna close that so none of them escape. I mean, we definitely like popped a few balloons while we were blowing them up. So like, so like Rachel might know what's going on, but like, hopefully she'll still be surprised. It's 4:15 a.m. and it's Rachio's birthday. So I'm gonna write a birthday card and I'm gonna go put the balloons everywhere. And fingers crossed this works out. I'm really nervous. You're the best.
Down first? Down. I literally have no idea. Like, actually no idea.
That's good.
You're so just funny.
I know.
Thank you. That's okay. I'm like mad that it's not cold enough to wear them yet. Dad, you know. I kind of expected this one a little bit, but only when I walked down to the box. Like, not before that.
Too much.
No, it's not. It is too much. They're perfect.
No, aren't you lucky you buy them?
Yeah, you made it kind of obvious to me not to buy them.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. That's okay.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Rachel has opened presents and we've had breakfast and now we are dressed and we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna go to Harbour Town on the Gold Coast, and then once we're done shopping we're gonna go to like Burleigh, Talbudra, go swimming. Oh, look at those fresh geeks. Look at Rachel's coat outfit. Look how cute she is.
Thanks so much. Have a lovely day.
What do you think? We have a burrito. We have an egg dancing with her burrito. Look at all the shopping on the floor. Wow, wowie, wow. Let's go to the beach. Nicki Minaj. Men's t-shirts, always surprised. This one's my favorite because it's really big. I love this one.
Oh, it's a cute color.
It has a little smile face. It was $5 and then...
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, and this was $5 as well.
Oh, yeah, each little mum jeans.
Yeah,
Something with the red connies.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the jeans?
And then I got the jeans I was thinking about for like a solid week.
Where are they from?
Target.
Oh, yeah.
Because I have the dark wash ones.
They're so cute.
I'm very happy.
First one. Nice. Pink one. Very pink. It's like a...
Welcome to
Welcome!
Are you serious? That's crazy! Thank you!
That's
We love you!
Thank you so much.
Can I please have an OOTN?
KMART.
Wow. Can I please have an OOTN?
Oh shit, Peter Ellie's.
Oh!
Sports girl top.
Oh, wow. Okay. Skye, you're up. Where is your set from?
KMART.
I love them.
I'm a sports girl. I didn't buy any of these myself.
That is how you should be living your life.
This, and then I have pajamas.
Yes. Where's your jumper from?
KMART.
Oh, I love it. Yeah. And where are your shorts from?
Cotton on and cotton on.
Yes. And where are your socks from?
If I was sports girl or Dottie, I would.
Yes, I love them.
OOTD for the Georgia-Richards.
It's from KMART.
Really jealous. Still jealous.
And then my socks are from KMART.
From the
And
kids
they have
section.
rainbows on them.
Yeah, it's great.
Squat, 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 squat. Look at all that food. Oh yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Happy birthday to you, dear Rachel.
Pip, hooray!
I believe in you.
You made a wish, it definitely doesn't count.
My favorite. Good morning everyone, it is Tuesday. It's not Tuesday, it's Wednesday. I was about to start off my new vlog and then I realized that I didn't end off yesterday's vlog last night. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video in the very near future. Bye.